Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C71 and let me share with you how to activate developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's tap on Version right here and find build number. Now let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and it should take approximately 8 taps. Then let's go back to the general list of the settings and enter System and tap on Developer Options. So here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see, this list is really long. And for example, you can manage the apps to don't keep activities, so basically destroy every activity as soon as you will turn it off. Exit it. You can show view updates, change window animation scale, show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall, because we've got Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically, to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it, for example this one, and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just tap on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen, and you will need to restart your device. So just tap on Restart, and after the whole operation, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.